Welcome to the Feng Shui channel, where ancient wisdom meets modern living. Today, we delve into the mystical realm of Chinese folklore, uncovering the secrets of the Earth God, a guardian of small towns and villages, the overseer of wealth and fortune. Meet the Earth God, one of the humblest in the pantheon of Chinese gods. Legend has it that he watches over local communities, offering protection and guiding the destiny of common folks. In ancient times, every small village cherished a statue or likeness of the Earth God on its temple's altar, a symbol of prosperity and well-being. The god's image was a source of comfort and hope for the people. Artists portrayed him as a benevolent figure, a grandfatherly presence with a crooked wooden staff in one hand and a pot of gold in the other. Villagers would gather to pray for assistance in their daily lives and work. In times of trouble, the Earth God was not confined to the temple. People would bring his likeness to the scene of disasters or problems, believing that by doing so, the god could see and understand the challenges that needed addressing. So, whether you seek protection for your home, guidance in your endeavors, or simply wish for a touch of prosperity, the Earth God stands ready to lend a helping hand. Stay tuned as we explore more ancient wisdom on the Feng Shui channel, where the past meets the present in harmony.